Hi, Paul, Golden Gate Enterprises. We're in another bathroom, and we'll give you a quick little tour. So, tile is on the wall, tile is on the floor. This is a custom tile shower pan. You can see the orange areas here. This is a custom curb that was built. And the drain is actually in the back. It's what's called a linear drain, so you don't see a typical round drain that's in here. This particular installation, you can see the hole up on the ceiling. That's going to be a rain shower head that comes down there, and tile is going in on the floor. And you can see our waterproof mat and our decoupling mat. So this is a custom tile shower stall. We'll show you this when it's all done, but there's a lot of work and effort that goes into here. This was a I believe a bathtub here before it started, and so now it's going to be a nice, beautiful, custom shower stall, frameless glass door, brand new tile floor. We have nice recessed lights with eyeball cans in it, brand new fan. So this is another job by Golden Gate Enterprises, and we do very, very high quality, high level work, and we'll keep you posted as this job gets to completion. Thank you very much.